The Whine and Cheese show is a Metaverse and NFT discussion and interview series brought to you by Metaverse Ventures Entertainment and host BEN68 and Morecheeese. Warning: the information and opinions within are solely the views of the individuals involved and contains content not suitable for anyone.
One is a wanker, one's like it's stunts. One's from Australia, one's from the Bronx.
Snack size.
NFTs and blockchain tech are now banned from Minecraft. Did you see this all kick off?
No.
Yes. Now this has massive implications for at least two major NFT projects that I'm aware of.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So speaking of, banking losses and that sort of thing. Yeah. So again, I'm not going to dive into this too deeply. You can check this out for yourself. But yeah, Microsoft-owned Mojang is banning the use of blockchain technology and NFTs inside the Minecraft client and any affiliated server applications. They're taking a hard stance against the technology that will prevent third-party operators from creating Minecraft NFTs, or this is the important point, profiting off of tokens that can grant access to exclusive Minecraft servers. So you know what I'm going to say there, Cheese, don't you?
I'll let you say it first.
Should we dive into this any further?
Yeah.
I don't think we need.
Wait. I own land there. I
know.
land there.
Here we go. You can read this part.
So not only is blockchain token implementation banned, but any other Minecraft NFTs used for world files or skin packs are banned as well. The company has also banned the practice of allowing players to earn NFTs through activities performed on a server or earning Minecraft NFTs for activity outside of the game. That's kind of fucked up. Like, to be quite honest, I didn't even think to get back into Minecraft until there was an NFT related to it.
Again, I just froze up again. What did you just say?
Oh, I said I didn't even plan to get back into Minecraft until I found out that there was an NFT related to it.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like these NFT projects brought so many people to Minecraft to purchase it. I don't know.
Well, this is kind of explains that a little bit.
Each of these uses of NFTs and other blockchain technologies creates digital ownership based on scarcity and exclusion, which is not aligned with Minecraft's values of creative inclusion and playing together. The company added that the use of technology creates a scenario of fuck you, the have and have nots. Like, nobody's saying that they can't play in their own freaking servers. This is like a separate thing. That's stupid. Yes. That's dumb.
So I've got another article here, but I forget what it was about. Yeah, so this is further to that. Minecraft-based NFT project in disarray after Minecraft bans NFTs. Now, this isn't the one that you're thinking of. This is an additional one, but
wow.
Yeah. NFT Worlds generated millions in sales of Minecraft-linked NFTs and now says it could pivot following a ban. So, yeah, you had some of these kind of projects selling access and plots of land in their servers for thousands and upon thousands of dollars and making millions of dollars. So, yeah. So this is basically, it covers the same sort of stuff. There was something in here. Yeah, here we go. This on news of the decision by Mojang Studios, a popular NFT project that sits on top of Minecraft, saw its tokens and NFTs plummet in value. NFT World sells NFTs tied to world seeds, which can be used to create Minecraft worlds using the base game client. And this is important. To date, that project has generated over $75 million in transaction volume at today's crypto prices. So,
but so what? Like, all right, so if I made a game and people were using it to kind of do this, like, instead of just banning them, kind of like work with them or something. I don't know.
Like, 75 million is a lot of money. Do you think the situation here is, hang on a minute, you're using all of our IP and stuff and we're not getting a cut of this? Is that part of it?
But if that was the case, they would have at least tried.
Yeah, or, I
They're,
don't know, maybe
saying
they're
it's
throwing
not
the
within their values.
yeah. It's definitely seems like they're just taking a hard stance on it.
Yeah.
So, there was something at the end. Ah, here we go. Read that one.
Notably, Mojang isn't completely ruling out integrating blockchain tech or NFT. See one day. What a bunch of fucking hypocrites. What a bunch
it'll
of
be when they
fucking
set it up.
hypocrites. Yeah.
It'll be when they set up and make the money, which I don't know. I kind of
All right, but don't say it's against your values.
yeah.
Because if you're saying it's against your values, but then I'm going to do it later.
It might be against their economic values.
Maybe. Wow. Wow. They should have.
I mean, I kind of get it. If you put a project out there and you're running this thing and suddenly some people parasitize it and they're making tens of millions off of your
but at the same
product,
time, they're putting the work into it. They're the ones getting the people. They're the ones that put the work. They're the ones that set it up. I would say, hey, listen, you're not allowed to do this, but let's talk. Maybe we can get like a partnership going, and you can be kind of like an extrovert, there has to be some sort of percentages going to us. And I'm more than positive, because remember when I came to you over a year ago with that 7 days to die kind of world that was similar to Minecraft, I wouldn't have done it without talking to the actual creators of the game, and I actually know them. So I'm surprised a lot of these people didn't, talk to Minecraft first and just kind of did it willy-nilly. But I don't know.
Now, the next part is not a FUD piece. We're not here to FUD. We're simply reporting on what we know. There's two projects that I know of that this impacts significantly. Now, I have checked both of their Twitters this morning. I'm not going to dive in that. You can dive in that to yourself. And I can't see that they're really just discussing it much, although the first one is saying that they, like in this article, says they will pivot and try to adapt. But yeah, the first one we've got here is the Uplift World. Now, this is the one you're invested in, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm in their Discord. I have land. I collect their token. It's a nice community.
Yeah, so the Uplift World is a community-first metaverse built on the Wax blockchain and running on Minecraft as a base layer. So as of now, this has all gone up in smoke as far as I'm aware. So, this is their white paper, by the way. And yeah, if you check out the Uplift World stuff, if you check out any of the stuff that's actually being built in it, it's incredible. And the amount of time and effort and that's going into it, the teamwork, the collaboration, and it's immense what they're doing. It will be a shame if it's lost completely. I don't know how that they can pivot. Like the Uplift World was talking about cross-chain capability. I think they were going to start doing something in Ethereum, but if Minecraft has put the kibosh on it completely, I mean, where do they go?
I mean, they could. That last paragraph you showed me kind of shows an opening. They could work with Minecraft directly. Maybe Minecraft is doing this just to kind of get that conversation going. Like if they have someone in their team that's really good with communications and can kind of build a partnership with them, maybe that's all they're really wanting, hopefully.
Yeah, so not sure.
Yeah, that would be a shame, because that was like a really cool project.
And that was quite expensive too, wasn't it? What did you pay to get into that?
Maybe
multiple
500.
thousands of. Oh, was it only 500 wax?
Oh no, $500, like 2,000 wax.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was. It's not a small chunk of change.
Yeah, so. I had fun. I had my fun. I mean, not to sound like a fat dolphin. I got out of it what I wanted. Bloated, chunky, fluffy.
Yeah, so the Uplift World is one, and then like that article mentioned, there's another one here, NFT Worlds, which, you know, this is their white paper too, and it's very similar.
Oh, I never even heard of them.
This is the one that made $75 million. So yeah, so currently they're using Minecraft. It's pretty much exact same thing, except this one is backed by Ethereum. This was an Ethereum-based project as far as I'm aware, whereas the Uplift World was wax-based. So yeah.
Yeah, I would think the Ethereum one would take a much greater hit than wax, because, like, you know, wax is cool and everything, but it's not as out there as Ethereum, and like you wouldn't even kind of think to check on it.
Yeah, so if you have properties or buildings in any of those projects, you might want to get back in touch with the team and start working out what you're going to do.
Yeah, and I went to Quarry, the uplift.world drops on ETH 716. Maybe
So,
that
yeah, but
wasn't a good thing.
Well, they can't do it because Minecraft has said no, so they can't sell anything more.
Anything more?
You know, they can sell it on Solana. They can use whatever crypto they want.
Yeah.
But they can't do it within Minecraft. So that's cross-chain capabilities and that sort of thing. I don't think that means a damn thing if they've had the door slammed on them. So
yeah.
But as I said, we don't know all the information. If you have stuff in those projects, get in contact and work out how to proceed.
Yeah. Hopefully
Again,
something will be worked out.
Yeah, and like I said, we're not trying to fight on those projects.
No, I'm in it. I'm in one of those projects. I like it. I enjoy it. So.
Yes. Now, on the flip side, so Minecraft has said no NFTs. You can all piss off, and blockchain for now. Well, not every big gaming company has that kind of mindset. The next one. Epic Games definitely won't follow Minecraft's lead and ban NFTs, says CEO.
Smart, because they know it brings people to them.
Yeah.
Like, people need the base game in order to, you know, participate in the NFT projects.
Yeah, there you go. So read those bullet points for us.
All right. In brief, Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney said that the Epic Games Store will not ban NFTs in game, following word that Microsoft will ban NFT use in Minecraft. The Epic Games Store had over 194 million users as of the end of 2021, and multiple NFT-powered games are coming to it later this year. Smart.
So this is a complete flip between a massive company that's, you know, that's
in the
shying
now
away from the technology,
yeah,
and another one that's leaning heavily into the technology.
And which is more popular?
Yeah.
Which is more popular?
Oh, I don't know the numbers of Minecraft, but I imagine that's
it's Minecraft was for what came out when I was in my late 20s, early 30s, right?
Yeah.
And I never heard of it again until the Uplift World brought it back to life. So
yeah, well, we're old farts, don't forget.
Well, true, but all I hear about is Fortnite. Fortnite this, Fortnite that, Fortnite this, Fortnite that. So if Fortnite is okay to let these projects coming in, I'm sure it's because they're smart enough to know that these projects are bringing them, you know, traffic. These people come in. Go ahead.
I was just going to say, I just did a quick Google. In April 2021, Minecraft had nearly 140 million monthly active users. So I think it'd be fairly similar if you convert that to 2022. So sorry to cut you off there. So yeah, but is the Minecraft play, is that just a complete fake out where they're just shaking off the parasites? You know, potentially they will do it, they will embrace it, but on their terms.
But they're not parasites. Not in my eyes. They're creators.
Well, yeah, but if a company is making $75 million off of,
Yeah.
your game and you're not seeing a cent of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna want to talk
That's
to
a
them.
parasitic relationship.
But it's not. It's like start a conversation, say, hey, listen, you know, you're not supposed to be doing this, but you're doing good work. Let's talk.
Yeah,
You know,
you're right.
they did all the work for them. Uplift did all the other people, they did all the work for them. All they have to do is just be partners with them.
Yeah, absolutely. Or even not partners, whether it becomes a buyout of the, you know, the technology or something like that too. Who knows?
True. Yeah, true. They could just, you know, buy them all out and have something already made.
Yeah, companies do that all the time.
Maybe even hire them on.
And there we go. I like this.
Developers should be free to decide how to build their games, and you are free to decide whether to play them. I believe stores and operating system makers shouldn't interfere by forcing their views onto others. We definitely won't. What a good person. What a good Sweeney.
What a good little Sweeney.
Good little Sweeney.
Yeah.
See, this makes me feel a certain way about Fortnite, you know?
Yeah. Well, Fortnite is just primed to transfer to an NFT platform. I mean,
oh yeah, and they should.
Billions on skins and this sort of thing. I mean,
but here's the thing: they'll make billions, but the consumers will also be making more money than as if they would just buy a skin. Like,
absolutely.
To be fair, everybody wins.
Yes, and if they put a resale tax on that, like if somebody buys a skin from Fortnite, of course they make all the money from that. If that gets sold on the secondary and they get a cut, well, they're making a crap ton more money on zero extra work.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this was extremely smart of Fortnite to put out this article right after Minecraft put out that Minecraft news. This was incredibly smart.
Yeah, so that might be a good point to wrap us up on for this one there.
The firm also has significant metaverse aspirations, as they should, recently raising another $2 billion at a $31.5 billion valuation, with intentions to build the metaverse. Oh, I love this. However, Epic Games has thus far not used cryptocurrency or blockchain networks within its own games and tools, despite allowing other developers to launch NFT-focused games on its marketplace. You know, this is amazing.
I think this is exactly what you kind of were talking about. Let creators create, find out what works, don't get yourself involved until it's kind of matured a bit, and then take those lessons and make an absolute crap ton of money.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let them do all you're the essentially work getting for you. You're getting all your R&D done for free.
Yeah. Basically, they're the betas. They're the ones that are experimenting and taking the losses for you.
Absolutely.
I think Minecraft is just being very freaking petty and actually very, like, what's the word? Selfish.
Yeah. Well, that's Minecraft. That's Microsoft in a nutshell, isn't it? You know.
True.
So.
Let fire samurai ride on the dingo, flying through the sky. Cheese in the house, get active right. Hit you with the hairbrush, hit you with the knife. You can let fire samurai ride on the dingo, flying through the sky. Hit you with the knife, flying through the sky. You can let fire samurai ride on the dingo, flying through the sky. Cheese in the house, get active right. Hit you with the hairbrush, hit you with the knife. You can let fire samurai ride on the dingo, flying through the sky. Hit you with the knife, flying through the sky.